Good day and Pauline peace. I'm Beth Rachel May Emiliora, and I will present to you how will I insert my logo and invite my group mates. By the way, sorry for having a low quality video since I am using my laptop. I will share my screen to you in order for you to see how will I insert my logo and invite my group mates. So, we will select or tap this Meliora company or the company name. And we can see here the settings. Select it and select organization details. When you enter that, this is how it will look like. And we will select on, and it says here that your online invoice settings will remain unchanged until you save the page. Therefore, we need to save it later. We can see here the display name, Meliora Company, and the legal or trading name, which is Meliora Company. And here, in this part, we can insert our logo. And since I already created my logo and saved it in my files, we will just browse it. I save it in my accounting information system folder. Here it is. Then upload. So I have now my logo, and the organization type is company. Line of business is accounting services. Then save. I need to check or select the terms and conditions. Then save. So changes, save. That's all for inserting your company logo. And now let's proceed to inviting my group mates. Let's go back to settings and select users. And we can see here the invite a user tab. Select it, and now we can invite my group mates. First, I will invite Aiza Larong. By the way, we are 5 members in group 5. I will first invite Miss Larong. And after that, send invite. Next, I will invite Miss Shine Manlapas. Manlapas, and then select it all. And after that, send invite. Next, I will invite Miss Laika Manlimos. Then send invite. Next is Miss Mitch Minglana. Mitch Minglana. So that's all. I already invited my group mates. Aizel Larong, Laika Manlimos, Mitch Minglana, and Shine Manlapas. So that's all for this video. I already shared to you how I insert my logo and invite my group mates. That's all. Thank you.